Hello guys, what's up? Today we are at the corner of Ranka where buildings are being upgraded. As you can see, here are some laborers working on building a house. And there's a flag, there's a national flag, Jai Hind. And here we have another building which belongs to my uncle. And this right here belongs to my friend. And right here, this too belongs to my uncle. This right here is a tree of guava. Here's my dog, which is blind, deaf. And here we have some fresh veggies, some peas. And over there we have lots of garlic. And there's a tree of peach tree. And right there is also a tree of peach. You know, different breed of peaches. So I'm here to show you the houses in the middle of a dense forest, dense jungle, in the middle of nature. Here are some buildings. It's very peaceful to live out here, in the middle of nature, in the middle of jungle, where in the morning you can hear the birds chirping, and you can hear the bees buzzing. You see, here we have some bees. Let's not get too close because they don't want to get disturbed. And see, it's quite a nice, amazing building, and the weather is just fine today. The sun is shining, and I'm just enjoying the breeze, the cool breeze, and the warmth of the sun. So that's it. So he's marking his territory all over the place. Okay, bye guys. This is it. This is all there is to this video. Here's my god dog. Here are some roses. Here are some plants, lots of plants. Lots and lots of plants. Take a closer look at this. See? Plants dangling all around the house. Just beautiful. And here's my favorite breed of cactuses. In the world full of bricks, be a cactus. Wow, just look at this cactus. It's quite unique. Just love it. Out of all the plants, I love cactus the most. This right here is my favorite one. This, the yellow one and a red one. And here are some flowers. Two bright flowers. Wow. Flowers are good for bees. And bees are good for flowers. Vice versa. There's a balance to it. Where there are bees, there are flowers. Where there are flowers, there are bees. Okay guys, bye. I hope you enjoyed the plants The buildings, the nature, the dog, and guava tree, peach trees and all. Okay guys, bye bye, love you all so much.